For over 100 years, scientists have attached tags, known as bird bands, to the legs of various species of birds to learn more about their lives. In this video, we observe as a group of scientists, park rangers, and volunteers collaborate to corral over 1,000 young birds and band them. Today, the group is primarily banding royal terns. Rather than building a nest, the royal tern lays its eggs directly in the sand. The workers must be extremely cautious not to step on these eggs. The egg's off-white coloration, accented by dark brown spots, provides excellent camouflage from predators. Still incapable of flight, these young birds are driven toward a fenced-off area. Once inside, the workers separate them into smaller, more manageable groups and begin the process of attaching bands. These lightweight bands will stay with the bird for its entire life. The data gained from banding allows scientists to study the migration, behavior, lifespan, and population growth of a particular species of bird. Once banded, the chicks are released, unharmed, to continue their path in life.